Make a box and whisker plot in Excel. Firstly, we need to know what is box and whisker plot. Given the dataset here, suppose they are the test scores of a class, and it's already ordered from the greatest value to the least value. So you can easily tell that the top score is 97 and the lowest score is 53. But can you tell the average or the mean or the median of the class easily? Or if you are 85, can you tell that you are top 25% of the class? That's not easy. So we need to use box and whisker plot to have a distribution of the data set. I make a box and whisker plot here. And before we learn the box and whisker plot, we need to know quartile. Quartile means 25%, means 1/4. It is the box, and these are called whiskers. You can easily see that the graph is composed of 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we say this is the first quartile. We say Q1. And here Q2. And here Q3 and Q4. So they represent 25% of the data set each. And there are also 5 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top one means the maximum value. And the bottom one means the minimum value. The middle line means the median. And the line between median and maximum is called upper quartile, means the top 25%. And the line between median and minimum is called lower quartile, the lower 25%. Based on the box and whisker plot here, we can see that the maximum value is around 97, the minimum value is around 53, and the median is 80. So if you are 85, are you 25%? No, you are within quartile 3, so you are not the top 25%. If you get 70, that means you are the lower 25%. That is the secret of box and whisker plot. Gives us everything about the data set. So how to make a box and whisker plot in Excel? Let's move on. Here are the test scores of the class. There are 25 students in this class. If you are using the latest version of Excel, you are so lucky because you can just use one step, box and whisker plot, and make it. How to make it? Choose the data set and insert. Here, choose histogram. Here you see box and whisker. Yeah, that's it. So this is the box and whisker plot. But you may think, wow, it is so fat. So we can make it slim. But it still looks fat. The reason is because the vertical axis is too big. Here, the lowest value is above 50. That means we need to cut all the values below 50. Here, we choose format axis and change the minimum value to 50. So now it's better. Let's make it slim again. If you don't like the color here, you can tap on no fill. So this is the box and whisker plot. And then add data labels. It's not clear. Let me make it bigger. So you can see the top score is 97 and the lowest score is 53. The median is 80 and the mean, the cross, means 78.8. And the upper quartile is 86.5. Lower quartile is 72.5. But what if you're not using the latest version of Excel? You can't just insert a box and whisker plot, but you still can make a box and whisker plot manually. That means you need to calculate the maximum, the minimum, all the elements. So let's calculate it here. The minimum value of the data set, we can insert the function minimum. So starting from the first to the last. So the minimum is 53. And the lower quartile, we can insert function quartile. Here, let's choose quartile exclude. And first data to the last data. And the lower quartile means quartile 1. So here, insert 1. And we get 72.5. Yes, 72.5. Median, let's insert the function median. And we get 80. Yes, it is 80 here. Upper quartile, just like lower quartile. Insert quartile exclude. And the upper quartile here means quartile 3. So let's insert 3. So it's 86.5. Yes, 86.5. Maximum, insert the function max. And we get 97. So that's the elements we want. But still not enough to make a box and whisker plot. Because you see, to make a box, we need boxes here and whiskers. But can you find out the boxes based on the data here? No. So we need to move on. Box 1. Suppose this is box 1. And box 1, we need to use the lower quartile. So equals lower quartile. And the box 2 means the difference between the median and the lower quartile. So equals median minus lower quartile. Box 3 means the difference between the upper quartile and the median. So equals upper quartile minus the median. And the whisker top means the top part. It's the difference between the maximum and the upper quartile. So equals maximum minus upper quartile. That's 10.5. And the same, whisker bottom equals the lower quartile minus the minimum. Okay, now we get enough information to make a box and whisker plot. Let's select box 1, 2, 3. Insert. Here, you need to insert 2D column and choose stacked column. Of course, this is not a box and a whisker plot. So let's switch column and a row. But it's still not a box and whisker plot. First, we make the blue part no fill. These are box 2 and 3. Now we need to add whiskers. Let's add the whisker top first. Choose Add Chart Element, Error Bars, More Error Bars option. And here we need the whisker top, so plus, Custom, Specify Value, Positive Error Value, Whisker top 10.5. Now we need to make the whisker bottom the same. Add chart element, error bars, more error bars option. Here we use minus, custom, specify value. We need to use negative error value. So that's it. And still doesn't look like a whisker, box and whisker plot. Let's make it slim and adjust the vertical axis. Minimum value 50 and maximum value 100. So it is better. Now let's compare the two graphs. Yeah, they are the same. That's all for make a box and whisker plot in Excel. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.